Here we have a male chaffinch, a female house sparrow, and there was a dunnock. There's a blackbird, male blackbird. Some very bright colours in the bird world. Chaffinch is dwarfed by the blackbird. I'm trying to pick up seeds that fell off the feeder above them. And there's a greenfinch, and I haven't seen a greenfinch in a long time. And there's a male house sparrow. And whoop. There's a greenfinch, female chaffinch, house sparrow, and the female chaffinch you can see look quite similar. This is absolutely great to see a greenfinch, a male as well, after so long. It's been a few years since I've seen one. I got really badly affected by a virus that was going around. You can see this one's absolutely healthy. I actually thought they were going to go extinct for a while. Down on the ground here, there is a dunnock, which is known as a hedge sparrow, but it's not actually any relation to the sparrow. Beautiful singer as well. And this is the great tit, and this looks like a male. Pretty tough bird actually. They'll have a go at birds bigger than them, drive them away if they need to. Much bigger than them. They love to eat peanuts.